full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight.
I'm here in front of the Osaka station, and next to the Osaka station is this grand fun department store and building. There's a lot of shop inside, but that's nothing new. So today I'm going to show you it's open 2025, March 21st, this Grand Green Plaza. So let's come with me. So here we are, the Grand Green Osaka. I'm here and I just get off the Osaka station. So it's actually above the Osaka station. And in the moment, it's only open this part. And in 2027, we'll open this part. And also those are not open yet. So I'm going to explore this area and see what they can offer. So in some level, this is more international than Japanese shopping center and also the park, because they're including a lot of international brands. Like this one there, Time Out Market, it looks interesting. I'm going to explore. But then if you look at the top bit, the onsen, that is the other new one too. It's a Umekita Onsen. And under here is a cover up a park. There's a lot of kids here, and because now it's a spring break and they're not back to the new terms yet. So there's a lot of kids walking playing around here. So opposite the Osaka station, as you can see, it's a lot of restaurants, a lot. And here is the Grand Green Osaka. And here is the entrance. And the other side is the park. So at the background, you can see is some construction is still happening. So they say 2027 will open. So let's go inside, have a look. So when the Japan Grand opening, they have a lot of flowers in front of the shop from their friends or company, and they just celebrate their opening. How beautiful, all the orchids. Because it's the same group of the Grand Fund, so they're using the same logo. But look at the shop here and the restaurant. It's enormous. There's a lot of different shops. I will choose one restaurant and have a look. And here is the second floor, and I'm here now. I'm going to find the Time Out Market. Okay, so in the basement, this is the Time Out Market. Not sure what they're selling yet, so let's see what they offer here. So opposite the Time Out Market, they have a supermarket here. It's quite a high-end supermarket. The price is high, like a one cheesecake, like 500 yen. Okay, let's go to the other area. It might be interesting. Look at how many congratulations here. And this congratulation is for Umekita Onsen Ren. It's a well-being park. That means like it's set up as an onsen. And then people can relax. So obviously you can't film it inside. So you can see it's an onsen natural spring. And then have the entrance. This is the outdoor infinity spa. It's a really big site. And also have exercise, sauna, steam room, in-outdoor gathering, and massage. Lots of really great facility. So anyway, if you have a day, spare day in Osaka, maybe you spend time in this onsen spa. Oh, by the way, you want to know the price, so you can have a day pass. This is a day pass, and you can be a member or not member. Not member is 6,400 yen a weekday, and weekend is 8,200 yen. Alright, so move on, next step.
Video.
Okay.
大阪の街、今日も天気商店街へこりそうや買い物袋ぶら下げて歩くこの道今日も元気に行きましょうか色とりどりの果物に野菜新鮮で美味しい魚屋に行くお店のおっちゃんおばちゃんの元気な声が響き渡る大阪の商店街活気に溢れて買い物するだけで楽しい気分安くて美味しいもんばかりまた来たいなと思うやろ喋りしながら試食も楽しみお得な情報交換しようお買い得品見つけたら迷わずカゴへ入れましょう昔ながらの温かい雰囲気知らん人とも仲良くなれる大阪の商店街ここに来ればみんなが家族みたいや大阪の商店街笑顔が集まる目切り交渉もご愛嬌おまけもらったらきやまた来たいなと思うやろ大阪の街は食い倒れが言うけどほんまやねと
てと緊張してる。大阪駅で君を待ってる。人の波に飲まれそうでドキドキして心が躍る。時計の針が遅く感じる。でも君の笑顔が浮かんでくる。手をつなげたらどんな感じだろう。この瞬間が永遠であってほしい。カフェの前で君を見つけた。笑顔を見せてほっとした。
Not kidding, just a coincidence. Find this wonderful tonkatsu shop. Tiny little shop, and it's not expensive. Everything freshly made. I'm going to show you inside and what did we order. This is a homemade sauce. One of these. There. Put some sauce in it. Look at the color.
大阪の街今日も天気こんな商店街へこりそうや買い物袋ぶら下げて歩くこの道今日も元気に行きましょうか色とりどりの果物に野菜新鮮で美味しい魚や肉もお店のおっちゃんおばちゃんの元気な声が響き渡る大阪の商店街活気に溢れて買い物するだけで楽しい気分安くて美味しいもんばっかりまた来たいなと思うやろおしゃべりしながら試食も楽しみお得な情報交換しようお買い得品見つけたら迷わずカゴへ入れましょう昔ながらの温かい雰囲気知らん人とも仲うなれる大阪の商店街ここに来ればみんなが家族みたいや大阪の商店街笑顔